Hello and welcome to another 3D survey tutorial. This is a quick tutorial about the plane lock and perpendicular lines. Here we have our nice 3D model and I would like to do the vectorization of the building footprint. And I would like to do that with the help of plane lock. So the first thing I need to do, I click here on Define Plane. Then I place a point that will lock my Z-axis. I'm happy with my plane and I confirm it. And now the yellow plane turns into green and the plane lock is active. So everything I'm drawing now will snap on this plane. Second step, I need to decide where to draw my first line. I'll go to the back side of this building and choose a Draw Line tool. It's important to start accurately, so I will draw my first vertex on this corner. I draw my line further down and place my second vertex. And now I want to lock all my future lines to be perpendicular to this one. I hit Object UCS or press F8 button. This way I started the perpendicularity and you can see everywhere I'm going, my lines are perfectly perpendicular. And this is super useful to extract building corners with ease. You can see there's some mess in this corner and it would be difficult to place the exact corner height. But the help of this tool is ensuring me I'm on the right height. Again, this next corner is a bit problematic since it ends with this vegetation. With my cursor I can snap further up, but the point will be placed on the plane. I continue with this corner. And all this time I don't even have to worry about these corners being perpendicular. And finally we are on our last vertex. To hit it perfectly, I go over it to activate the leading lines. They limit the length of my previous segment to the exact length I need. So I finish perfectly on the vertex I started. Now that was really easy. So there you have it. Perfect building footprint with the help of plane lock and perpendicular lines. Thanks for watching. See you next time.